In this video, I will show you how you can use ADB from the Android device itself without using a PC or another mobile. To do this, we are going to use TERMUX. I'll leave you the video of how to install it in case you don't have it already. The first thing to do is to open TERMUX and install the package called Android Tools. To be able to connect TERMUX with our device, we need to have enabled the developer options. Once inside, we go to the debugging options and enable wireless debugging. With this, we will have an IP address and a port to connect to, but first we have to pair TERMUX with our device. To do this, we click on Pair Device with Pairing Code, which will give us the IP address, the port, and the code to pair TERMUX. Then we use the command you see on the screen with the pairing code information. Once paired, we can connect from TERMUX with the command that I leave on the screen. We check the device appears in the list of available ADB devices. Now we can execute any ADB command such as running a shell.